Good morning students. Today we are learn our 6th computer chapter of class 7, that is working in Flash. Okay. In my previous lecture we learn shape twins and in this lecture we learn motion guide twin. Okay. So let's start. In Flash, motion guide defines the path of the movement of an object. In Flash, the motion guide is defined as the path of the movement of an object. If we apply the motion guide, a new layer is introduced which is called a motion guide layer. If we apply the motion guide, a new layer is introduced that is called as motion guide layer. Okay. Whatever we draw in the motion guide layer is not visible in the final animation. We draw in the motion guide layer and it is not visible in the final animation. Follow these steps to see the use of motion guide twinning. So first step is draw a car using the oval tool and rectangle tool and color it. Firstly, draw a car by using the oval tool. Look at this picture. Look here. This is oval shape and using rectangle tool and then color it. Then select the object using the selection tool. Select the object using selection tool and click on modify and select group object option. Then click on the modify and select the group objects option. Then move the pointer to the frame 60. Then move the pointer to frame 60 in the timeline. Then right click on the gray field. Then right click on this gray field below 60. Then press F6. Go to frame. Right click on it and select create motion twin option. Go to the frame, then right click on it and select create motion twin option. Then right click on layer 1. Then right click on the layer 1. You will get a pop-up menu and select the add motion guide option. Flash new insert a motion guide layer on top of layer first. Then Flash now insert a motion guide layer. Insert the motion guide layer on the top of the layer first. Then click on the motion guide layer to make sure it is an active layer. Then click on the motion guide layer to click sure it is an active layer. Then click on the pencil tool. Then click on pencil tool and set pencil mode to the smooth. Now drag a path which should be followed by the object while in motion. Then click on frame 1 in the timeline. Then click on frame 1 in timeline. Then choose the selection tool and select the snap to object tool. Then choose the selection tool and select the snap of object tool in the option selection of the tool panel. Okay. Then drag the object and place it just at starting point of the path. Drag the object and place it just at the starting point of the path. The center of the image is indicated by small plus sign when selected. The center of the image, it is indicated that small plus sign when it is selected. A black color appears when the image is attached to the motion guide. A black color is appear when our image is attached to the motion guide. Okay. Then release the mouse button when the image is snapped to the guide. Then release the mouse button when our image is snapped to the guide. Then go to frame 55. Then go to the frame 55. Place the object and attach the center at the ending point of the path. Then insert keyframe by right clicking at frame 55 in guide layer 1. Then insert our keyframe by right clicking at frame 55 in guide layer 1. Then select control text movie from the menu bar to test the flash movie. Okay. So understand, students? So in your homework, write motion guide twins in your notebook. Okay.